So let's find the deposited amount using a geometric series. So what we'll do here is a man deposits in a bank rupees 8 in the first year. So this will be the first term of the series, and rupees 24 in the second year, and rupees 72 in the third year, and so on. Find the amount that you will have deposited in the bank by the fifth year. So the deposited amount is given by this series, because the first term is 8 because that's the deposit amount in the first year, 24 in the second year, and 72 in the third year, and so forth. And this is a geometric series. And why? Because there is a common ratio. The common ratio here is basically 3. Whoops. So the first term A1 is 8 and R is 3, the common ratio, and N is 5 because the question asks us to find the amount he will have deposited in the bank by the fifth year. So over here it's asking us that the total amount that he will have deposited in the fifth year. So we don't have to find the fifth term in the series, but rather we have to find the sum of the total amount deposited in the 5 years. So we'll apply this formula here, and as you know, the value of R, the common ratio, is greater than 1. So we'll apply this formula because R is greater than 1. So after replacing A1 with 8, and we'll replace R with 3 and N with 5. So upon doing all this calculation, you'll find that the value comes down to rupees 968. So this man will have deposited a total of 968 rupees in the 5 years.